Flow aids only move material. CIPs only clean. AirSweep CIP does it all. Its globally patented 3-in-1 system boosts material flow, flushes residue, and cleans your vessel. Flow Sweep keeps material moving during production. Dry Sweep uses air pulses to flush out product buildup. Wet Sweep uses high-pressure liquid pulses to scour and soak stubborn material. One of the world's largest plant engineering OEMs for bulk material, powder, and liquid automation systems tested AirSweep in real production conditions. The trial proved that it works on hard-to-clean areas, clears tough materials, and sticky buildup. The CIP trial also showed that every sweep brings you closer to a return on your investment. It cleans 83% faster than CIP balls, increasing production time and potential gains for a return on investment in as little as 3 to 4 weeks. AirSweep CIP also eliminates manual intervention, lowering contamination risks, labor costs, and injury risks, and saves on cleaning liquids, wastewater disposal, and CIP accessories. Top global manufacturers have trusted AirSweep to solve tough material flow problems. It has over tens of thousands installations worldwide, is used in all industries, including food and pharmaceuticals, by multinationals and top brands. Get 3 different sweeps that prevent downtime during production and cleaning with just a push of a button. How much more can you earn with AirSweep CIP? Visit airsweep.com for a custom quote and ROI estimate.